الحمد لله وكفى والصلاة والسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى خصوصا على أفضلهم وخاتم النبيين محمد الأمين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين وبعد. We begin with Allah's blessed name. We praise Him and we glorify Him as He ought to be praised and glorified. And we pray for peace and for blessings on all His noble messengers, and in particular on the last of them all, the blessed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Brother Adam Ibrahim, Secretary General of the Research and Information Institute on Islam, here in Taman Tun Dr. Ismail in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. Brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We meet at a very dangerous moment in our history and in the history of the world, to address you on the subject of implications of a Zionist Israeli attack on Iran, which now appears to be not only fairly certain but also just around the corner. In the process of offering an explanation of the implications of such an attack, I would have to take recourse to Islamic eschatology to locate the implications of that attack in the larger framework of Islam's conception of Akhirul Zaman, because I am convinced that it is located precisely in that subject. In the process also of offering my analysis, I will have to offer opinions of mine. If a politician and a prime minister and a government official and a businessman and a carpenter and a taxi driver can offer opinions, why can't a scholar of Islam do the same thing? What's wrong with that? Provided, of course, that we recognize that only Allah does not make mistakes, number one. And number two, in my instance, I always insist that when I offer my opinion or my view on any subject, I insist that my audience should never accept my view unless and until you are convinced that it is correct. If you can offer me anything better than that, please tell me. I think I've reached the limit. So I should be allowed to offer my opinion and my views. I'm not a prophet. I don't have an angel or a jinn whispering into my ears. I'm offering you opinions based on analysis, and I have the right to do so. And those who warn people don't listen to Imran Hussein should be ashamed of themselves. Having said that, we say that Israel wants to attack Iran because Israel ultimately wants to rule the world. Because the Zionists want to rule the world. Because the Judeo-Christian Zionist European Alliance wants to deliver to the state of Israel the status of ruling state in the world. That's why we believe all these wars are taking place. But why does Israel want to rule the world? They said some 50, 60 years ago, and even then they were telling monstrous lies. So 9/11 was not the first lie. They said that all that we want to do is to create a Jewish homeland in the Holy Land, where Jews can live in safety and security. That's all we want to do. And we say that was a monstrous lie. What you wanted to do was to establish a Zionist state in the Holy Land, which would seek to impersonate Holy Israel, the holy state of Israel, that was established by Nabi Dawood alayhi salam, the Prophet David, and Nabi Sulaiman alayhi salam, the Prophet Solomon, and that this Zionist state of Israel would one day rule the world. That's what you wanted to do. And you want Israel to rule the world, so that one day, not too long from now incidentally, a man would stand up in Israel. Nabi Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam described that man to us 1400 years ago or more. So if you're listening in Washington tonight, let's tell you what the Prophet said. And if you're listening in London and in Jerusalem tonight, let's tell you what Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam said. He said that that man would be a Jew. He would be a young man. And so the end of history will witness young people taking over the world. He would be a powerfully built man. He would have curly hair. And he would declare, I am the Messiah. But that would be a lie. The Messiah is the son of Mary. Sorry, more than that. He was the son of the Virgin Mary. There's only one virgin in the world who ever gave birth to a son and still remained a virgin. And that was Jesus, Nabi Isa alayhi salam. He is the Messiah. Muslims believe that. And most Christians believe that. I don't know whether the Zionist Christians also believe that. Somebody should ask them. He is the Messiah. And one day he's coming back, said Nabi Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. Whether Washington believes that or not is irrelevant. One day he's going to come back, said Nabi Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. And when he comes back, he's going to rule the world from Jerusalem. That is in the hadith, because he would be Hakimul Adil, a ruler who will rule on the basis of justice. Those who today rule the world do so with injustice. That's why they want this Israel to rule the world. Because that man who says, I am the Messiah, would not be the son of the Virgin Mary. No, said Nabi Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, he would be al-Masih ad-Dajjal, the false Messiah, the Antichrist. Every Muslim knows about him. Most Christians know about him. I don't know about the Zionist Christians. And so lots of people know this subject. And